How to free up disk space using Storage Sense. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can free up disk space using Storage Sense. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to free up disk space using Storage Sense, you will first need to go to your settings. So open up your settings. After you're on your settings, you will then need to go to your system. And after you're on your system, scroll down till you find the storage option. Head over to storage. And after you're there, scroll down till you see the storage management section where you'll find Storage Sense. All you have to do is toggle this button on. Now, if you head over inside, you'll find out what Storage Sense does. Now, Storage Sense runs when your disk space is low, and they will clean up your space to help your system run its best. So this will remove stuff. This will remove things or files or every temporary system files and app by deleting them when it's running low on space. It'll automatically basically clear out your user content which is not at use. And yeah, that's how you use Storage Sense, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.